guys, welcome back to another new video. Guys, this video I'll show how to add your PowerPoint hyperlink or any link if you want to add it. So let's go. Today's video is started. So guys, I'm open my project. So select MS Excel tutorial and click insert sections, click hyperlink, and you need any link address here. So guys, I'm just paste one link and it's a playlist. So now I'm click enter or Ctrl Z and this is here. So now click on this link. So guys, now I am just added hyperlink and go link slideshow. Okay, and now click on this link and just mouse point here and open my browser and youtube.com supported browser. Okay, just like Google Chrome. So guys, now I'm just check now. I'm just click Microsoft Excel tutorial and open my browser. So now I'm just click MS Excel tutorial and open this YouTube link and wait for response. So I'm just clicking here and open my browser and browse YouTube and see Excel full tutorial. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.